Everybody, how's it going? This is going to be the final installment of my basement build-out project. I'm going to start out here in this entryway coming off my garage. I ended up replacing the flooring out in this entryway. It was ceramic tile before, but I didn't really like the way it flowed from in here to out there. Originally I had that carpeting coming all the way to this opening here, and you would have to stand on carpet to get into the laundry / mud room. So I didn't really like that, so I tore it out, cut the carpet back, and put all this vinyl luxury tile in. It's just a floating floor, no adhesive or anything. It just clicks together, really easy to go. So I did that, and this is the same flooring I have in the new bathroom. Then I also have my doors all stained and ready. They're all hung and done. They match my doors upstairs in my house. My house smells really good, like solvent stained right now. There's 4 doors that I did. This is the 4th door, 3rd door, and my laundry room. And then this is the newer space. Ceiling is all completed. Air vents are in. That's an air vent over there. And there's another air vent over there. And I also added a return vent so the space gets good circulation. One other thing is I added an outlet over here on this ledge after the fact. So now people can stay here and plug their phones in or whatever, devices, whatever they need. I do need to get some window coverings. I have a company coming out this week to measure and give me a price, so that'll get done. Going with like a roller shade, something. This is my electric panel. It is just a cabinet door that I built from scratch to fit my opening, and it is held in with magnets. It's basically a couple pieces of angled metal screwed in to the opening, and then on the back side I attached a bunch of magnets. I kind of went crazy with the magnets, but and at one point it was actually too strong, so I put these little felt tip covers for like chairs on the magnet so that it takes away a little bit of the strength, but that keeps that covered up nice. You know, it keeps the panel covered up nicely. There's a little bit of a gap here, but it doesn't bother me that much. Another thing I did was build this open closet / shelving unit into this little nook over here. I thought it looked kind of empty, and I figured I needed some storage down here, so I found the design online that I liked, and I modified it to fit my space here. So this is all just 1x, and threw it together over the course of the last couple weeks, and it's just painted white. But it'll be nice to have some storage down here. Thought that turned out really nice. The bathroom is all completed. I think I've shown that before. There's a toilet in there now, like I said, partially decorated. The vanity, the shower works. I've had a couple people use it, myself included. It's very comfortable. It's been a long 1.5 years doing this project, you know, on weekends and nights by myself mostly, but the payoff is huge. Thanks for tuning in on these videos. Give this video a thumbs up. Maybe I'll make another video. Who knows? Later.